Right, long multiplication again, but this time it is 3 numbers by 1 number. Okay, success criteria is the same as if you're doing it by 2 by 1. So use the life 1 to kill all the numbers above. Okay, and I'll go through that again. Hopefully it'll just start to stick what I mean by lives. So the lives are the numbers below, and then carry the tens and add that to the next answer. Okay, so whenever you've done that, so long multiplication 3 by 1, use the life 1 to kill all the numbers above in order, and then carry the tens and add to the next answer. So let's have a little go. So 423 times 3. So when you're doing multiplication, always just set it out. Don't need to line it up around, just have it exactly as. So this is our lives column. Well, this is the first life, so we're going to use this, and he's going to kill all the numbers above, starting with the first one. So we go 3 times 3, which is 9. We write down the 9. There's nothing to carry because there's no tens. Then we do 3 times 2, which is 6. We'll write it down, and there's nothing to carry again because there's no tens and 6. Then he has to kill the final one. Then we do 3 times 4, which is 12, and there's no more numbers that we need to kill up here, so we just write down the 12. So my answer to 423 times 3 is 1269. Let's try another one. So we've got here 891 times 6. So again, 891 times 6. Okay, so we've got our lives. So first life, 6 times 1. So he's killing everything above it. Must take them all out. So 6 times 1 is 6. No tens to carry, so just write 6. Then next number along. 6 times 9 is 54. So we write down the 4, because there's 4 units, and carry the 5, because that's the tens. Remember, we'll carry the tens. Then finally we do 6 times 8, which is 48. And then we must remember to add the 5 from the previous answer. So 48, add 5, gives me 53. No more numbers to kill, so we just write down 53. So answer is 5,346. Okay, now for your one for you to have a go at. So 925 times 7. I'm going to go through it in about 3 seconds, so if you want to pause, have a little go. So 3, 2, 1. Right, we've got 925 times 7. And we've got our first life here, so we've got our lives. So this here number has to attack every number above. So 7 times 5 is 35. So write down the 5 and carry the 3, because that's the tens, we don't need the 3. Then we go on 7 times 2, which is 14, and then we must remember to add this 3. So 14 add 3 gives me 17. So put down the 7, and I've got 1 to carry because there's still another number to go. And then finally I go 7 times 9. So 7 times 9, 63. Add the 1, that's 64. No other numbers to kill in the end, so we just write down 64. So the answer is 6,470.